back to another episode of my unboxing. Finally, my new GoPro HERO 9 has arrived. I bought this from GoPro.com and it took me 10 days to arrive from Singapore. It cost me $511 for GoPro HERO 9 plus 1 year subscriptions, and it comes with free 32GB SD card, and I also bought extra battery with 50% discount. It's about time to upgrade my GoPro HERO 5 and I can't wait to test this new baby. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any new video that I capture with my new GoPro HERO 9. Okay, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. On this side of the box, you can see the specifications of this new GoPro HERO 9. It comes with like a GoPro bag, and this is good for traveling, to protect the GoPro. Let's see what's inside. Like this, guys. Good. So if we compare it, so this is my GoPro HERO 5. If you actually compare this is actually bigger. Wow, so excited. So let's try to turn it on. This is okay. I'm trying to find out where is the battery. This GoPro HERO 9 is completely different with my GoPro HERO 5, so I need to learn again where is the battery. I think this one here. So you just pull, you just like pull like this. It's actually pretty hard, and then open it like this. For now, I'm just gonna turn it on to let you guys see. Wow, this is actually very good. I can do vlogging, like hi. It's actually kind of cool, guys. The front screen is actually big enough to see myself. Wow, I just can't wait to record Darwin City with this new GoPro HERO 9. Make sure you guys check out my channel to see how good the quality of this new GoPro. And I have this from my GoPro HERO 5. Maybe I can like try. Oh yeah, it's working, guys. Yay, it's working. That's why when this new GoPro HERO 9 just released, I'm not hesitating to upgrade my old GoPro because, you know, I already have some of the sticks so that I can reuse it for my new GoPro. Yay! Amazing, guys. Okay guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching my unboxing video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!